La 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 la. What are you doing? Making a cut. Not with those pruning shears. Why? What an idiot. He doesn't know anything. Well, hello everyone, this is Jack. Well, in this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know to avoid killing your tree. So I'm going to cover all the pruning mistakes that you can avoid so you can make your tree healthy and stronger and avoid killing them. So let's get started. Mistake number 1, using dull pruning shears. Now take a look at this pruning shear. Now it is dirty and it is rusted, but most importantly, look at how dull it is, and it's even chipped right there. The blade is chipped. Now, if you were to make cuts with this pruning shear on your trees, the cuts will not be clean. You might tear the bark on your branches if you cut them with this pruning shear. This can harbor disease such as bacterial canker and even fungus in your trees. So always use sharp pruning shears. Mistake number 2, using infected pruning shears. Now, if I use these pruning shears to cut off these branches, now these branches are infected with bacterial canker. And if I'm to use them on here and go around and cut more branches on other trees, I'm going to cross-contaminate this disease onto other trees. So you must sanitize your pruning shears, and this is how. To disinfect your pruning shears, you can use rubbing alcohol and apply it on the blade of your pruning shear. Or you can use a flaming torch and burn just the blade part of your pruning shear. This will disinfect the pruning shear by killing off any bacteria, fungus, or mold that might be on your pruning shears. Mistake number 3, not sealing the cuts after making those cuts. When you have an open wound like this after pruning your trees, make sure you use a grafting compound to seal the cuts. This will prevent harmful bacteria, fungus, and other diseases from entering your trees. This step can literally save your trees from dying after pruning your trees. This video is sponsored by Smart Saker. Now, Smart Saker makes this cordless hedge trimmer. This is a 2-in-1 handheld adjustable trimmer. It comes with 2 attachments, the lawn clipper and the hedge trimmer. These attachments are really easy to change. This hedge trimmer is strong, lightweight, and portable. It comes with a rechargeable 20-volt battery and is perfect for trimming and shaping the shrubs. If you're interested in this cordless hedge trimmer, I'll leave a link to this product in the description of this video. Mistake number 4, making improper cuts. Now these improper cuts are stub cuts and flush cuts. Let me show you what they are. Now you want to prune off this branch from this main branch that's growing up. So if you cut it way too close like this, now this is called a flush cut. It's way too close to the main branch and it can damage the main branch, which can introduce disease and kill your trees. Now you want to take off this branch from this main branch and you go too far. Now this is called a stub cut. Now this is going to die off and it can introduce disease and fungus. It can introduce bacterial canker or fungal disease into the trees and kill your trees as well. Now let's make the right cut. The cut should be 1/4 of an inch from the main branch. So you need to leave just a little right there, and that's the right cut. Number 5, making improper large cuts. Now making large cuts is an art of its own, and it's a 3-step process. Let me show you. Now if you make a large cut like this and you just make a cut from the top, the branch will snap and then it will peel off the bark at the bottom. So in order to prevent that, you need to make 3 cuts. So the very first cut is going to be 18 inches from the main trunk. So I'm going to make a first cut right here. So go about 1/3 of the way. Now this is to prevent the branch from peeling out from below. Now from that bottom cut, go about 1 inch on above and make the cut from the top. Now check this out. If we did not have that bottom cut, the bark would have peeled all the way down to the main trunk. Now since we took off the weight of the branch, now we can make our actual cut. There you go. We have our clean cut right here. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can avoid making all of these mistakes and avoid killing your trees so your trees can live a long, prosperous, and healthy life. And I'll see you in another video.